Hello students, welcome to Meetu Maths classes. In the last video we have started our chapter 1 of class 11, that is sets, and today we are going to finish our exercise 1.1. In the last video I have already defined you as what do you mean by a set, how it can be written. It can be written in two forms, in set builder form or in roster form, and we have already written some sets in roster form. But today we are going to start with our question 3, and in this question we are given some sets in roster form and we have to write them in set builder form. So let us start with the first one. Let's consider your first set, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. So let this set be A. Now you can write A in set builder form as A contains element X, where X can आप X के अंदर कैसे देख सकते हैं, X all the elements are the multiples of 3. So X can be written as 3n, where n belongs to natural numbers, but natural numbers भी आपके सिर्फ कहाँ तक होने चाहिए, 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So n should be less than equals to 4. This is, you have written this set in set builder form. Now consider your second set, that is, suppose B is this set 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You can observe that 2 can be written as 2 raised to power 1, 4 can be written as 2 raised to power 2, then 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, then 16 2 raised to power 4, 32 2 raised to power 5. So B can be written as, defined as x such that x is equals to 2 raised to power n, where n belongs to natural numbers, but natural number आपका कैसा होना चाहिए, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5. So n should be less than equals to 5. Now consider the third one. Suppose this is set C, 5, 25, 125 and 625. 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 3, 5 raised to power 4. So your C can be written as x such that x is equals to 5 raised to power n, where n belongs to natural numbers, but n should be less than equals to 4. Let us take this fourth one as D. So first of all, now identify what the pattern of the elements, 2, 4, 6, so on. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and so on. So they are the multiples of 2, x such that x is equals to 2n, where n belongs to natural numbers. So we can write this set as this. Now the fifth one, let us take this set as E, 1, 2, 1, 4, 9 and so on till 100. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100. So E can be written as x such that x is equals to a natural number square, where n belongs to natural numbers but less than equals to 10. देखो 1 का स्क्वायर, 2 का स्क्वायर, 3 का स्क्वायर, तो 1, 2, 3 till 10. So they are all natural numbers but strictly less than equals to 10. So we have written these some sets in set builder form. Your next question is, list all the elements of the following sets. Your first set is in set builder form, x such that x is an odd natural number. So in roster form you can write it as odd natural numbers, 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 and so on. You can write this set as this. B, x such that x is an integer lying between -half to 9/2. -half is minus 0.5 and 9/2 is 4.5. तो in between these two आपको जितने भी इंटीजर्स मिलेंगे, -1 -0.5 से के बाद आपको 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 less than 4.5, your last integer is 4. So this is the set of integers lying in between these two numbers. Now the set C can be written as x such that x is an integer such that x square should be less than equals to 4. तो देखो लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 4 में आपका एक्स स्क्वायर लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 4 वो सारे आपके इंटीजर्स आ जाएंगे. अब अगर आप 2 लेते हो, -2 लेते हो तब भी आपका लेस देन इक्वालिटी आ जाएगी. -1 लेते हो तब भी आ जाएगा. 1 इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 4. 0 देन 1 एंड देन 2. और 3 के बाद का नहीं होगा और -3 से पहले का नहीं होगा क्योंकि 9 इज नॉट लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 4. सो दिस इज योर सेट. नेक्स्ट D. D is defined as x such that x is the letter of the word loyal. So D can be written as L O Y A. L has already written, so repetitions are not allowed in the set. Next E. X such that x is the month of the year not having 31 days. तो आपके वो सारे मंथ्स लिखने हैं जिसमें 31 डेज नहीं होते. जनवरी हैज़ 31 डेज, देन फेब्रुवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, देन जुलाई एंड अगस्त बोथ हैव 31 डेज. September, October has 31 days, then November has 30 days. So these are the months not having 31 days. Next, F. F is defined as x such that x is a consonant which precedes k. So F can be written as सारे consonants preceding k. So A is a vowel, so B is your first consonant, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K precedes K, which precedes K. तो ये सारे आपके कॉन्सोनेंट्स हो जाएंगे, जो वॉवल्स होंगे वो आप स्किप कर देंगे. सो दीज आर द सेट इन रोस्टर फॉर्म. नाउ योर सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज मैच ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. In the left side you are given 4 sets in roster form, and to the right of it you are given 4 sets in set builder form. You have to match the following. Your first set is in the set builder form is x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. एक प्राइम नंबर भी होना चाहिए और डिवाइजर ऑफ 6 भी होना चाहिए. तो it must be 2, 3, 2 and 3, and this is A is going to be matched with this second one. Your second definition is x such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. तो odd natural numbers आपके क्या हो जाएंगे? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is this set, fourth set. So B can be matched with fourth set. x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. natural number भी हो और divisor भी हो. देखो natural 1 is also a divisor of 6, 2 is also a divisor of 6, 3 and 6. These are the divisors of 6. So C can be matched with first one. And x such that x is the letters of the word mathematics, and this is this set. M A T H E M A T I C S. So fourth D can be matched with third one. So students, hope you are enjoying studying with me. Keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.